Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OnePlus Buds Pro to your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all, we have to open the case and remember to charge them at least to the 50%. You can find the USB-C input on the back. The next step, we have to simply open them. So take them out of the case, open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, click to pair new device, and just take a look on the available devices list. If they are not going to pair, if they are not going to pop on the list automatically, I'm going to show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So wait for like few seconds. Okay, looks like they are not going to move to the pairing mode automatically, so let's put them back to the case and use this button. Click and hold it until this indicator right here starts blinking on the white. Next, just release this button, and as you can see right now, we can select them from available devices list. When they are not right here still, just go back, power off the Bluetooth, and select to pair new device another time, and they will be on the list for 100%. Accept the pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are connected, everything is fine, but there's also another option to get the Hey Melody application for these buds to unlock more features. So to make it, you have to open the App Store, the Google Play Store, or the Huawei Store. It's called, I just forget, but you know what I mean. And type Hey Melody. Get this app. So we have to download, and when you make it, just click on the plus. As you can see right now, it is looking for nearby devices, and when we connect them by using the startup Bluetooth settings, they will be already here. If they are not appears on the list, you have to move them to the pairing mode for another time by using this button, like we make it in this video. So select to connect, and there it is. As you can see, we are connected. We can find here, for example, the firmware update. We can also check the battery level, adjust the noise control modes. You can also enable the earbud controls. A lot of things that you can make right here in the application. I can recommend you to definitely use this app. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.